Internet, meet Kobe. I want you to see how much he snores.
It's one of those nasal strips.
I know he needs a neti pot. This is what he did. He just jumped up and just did that to me.
Probably the calmest you'll ever see him.
I think this is the calmest I've ever seen him. Yeah. Did I say the word ball? What's his trigger word? Tyson? Tyson? Food?
Where's the kitties?
Where's the kitties? Kitty cat? Kobe?
Frisbee?
Frisbee? He's zonked out.
Forget it. I'm done.
Kobe, you want some food? Oh, did you open your eyes? He's like, hey, buddy.
Look who just popped her head up.
Are you open up?
She got one ear up.
Kobe, did I wake you up, buddy? I'm sorry. Did I wake you up, buddy? I'm so sorry. He's like, that wasn't very nice.
Look at Marley's ear.
Are you upset? Hey, Kobe.
Kobe,
So that's Kobe.